Welcome everybody, my name is Ola El Hosseini. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to create forecast for your sales data by using Excel. In this sheet contains a historical sales data for the last 2 years, okay, and the predicted sales data for the next year, and represent this data as a line chart, this one. The blue line represents the historical sales data for the last 2 years, and the orange line represents the predicted sales data for the next year. Let me show you how to do this. In this sheet contains a table. This table contains a historical sales data for the last 2 years, okay? And you have to be sure, okay, the date data to be consistent, okay. Like this example, the historical date data is represented as a monthly interval, and each month has the corresponding sales data, okay. Then we have to select our data, or you can select any cell in your data like this, and on data tab, okay, from forecast category, select forecast sheet. In the upper right, there is two types of the chart: line chart and column chart, okay. In this example I am going to use a line chart, this one. And then from forecast in, we have to specify the end date for the forecast. In this example, I want to forecast for the next year. So I select December. Okay. And if you want to figure out the accuracy of the prediction, there is an option is called confidence interval. This option. Okay. This option is a range surrounding each predicted data or value, in which 95% of future points are expected to fall based on the forecast. If you want to apply more confidence in the prediction for the specific point, we have to reduce the confidence interval percentage. The default percentage is 95. If we reduce this percentage like this, okay, this means we imply more confidence in the prediction, okay, and then create and press create. Now Excel create a new worksheet for us, okay, this one. This sheet contains a table, contains the historical sales data for the last 2 years, and the predicted sales data for the next year, these values, okay, and predict the lower confidence values and the upper confidence value for each predicted sales, so you can figure out the accuracy of the prediction for your forecast, okay, and display or represent the data as a line chart, this one. And the line chart and the blue chart, the blue line represent the historical sales data, and the orange, the bold one, represents the predicted sales data, and surrounding these predicted values by the confidence interval, so you can figure out the accuracy for your prediction. I hope this tutorial is useful for all of you. Thank you so much, and see you in another tutorial.